Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're showcasing what we believe to be the best girl power makeup bag on the market, the Inspirational Quote Makeup Bag by JIUWEIHU. If you're someone who loves combining style with a message of empowerment, this is definitely a product to check out. Right off the bat, this makeup bag makes a statement with its design and message. It features inspiring quotes that celebrate empowered women, feminism, and girl power, making it not just a practical accessory but also a symbol of strength and motivation. Whether you're gifting it to a mom, daughter, friend, nurse, teacher, boss, or lawyer, this bag fits perfectly into the lives of women who value empowerment and positivity. The bag measures 9.4 by 6.9 by 1.9 inches, making it compact yet spacious enough to hold your daily cosmetics and travel essentials. Crafted from cotton, the material is soft to the touch but durable enough to withstand regular use. One of the highlights is its black metal zipper, which not only adds a touch of elegance but also ensures your items stay secure with excellent protection. Functionality is key with this makeup bag. The smooth zipper opens wide, allowing easy access to your cosmetics so you can quickly find exactly what you need without fumbling around. The fine print on the bag is sharp and clear, adding to the overall aesthetic appeal. Versatility is another great feature here. Whether you use it as a travel wash bag, a purse organizer, or simply as a makeup pouch, it blends style and practicality seamlessly. Its minimalist yet stylish design means it can complement any look and occasion, from daily use to special trips. This makeup bag also makes a meaningful gift. Its empowering quotes and thoughtful design make it suitable for birthdays, Mother's Day, Halloween, Christmas, housewarmings, weddings, and Valentine's Day. It's a lovely way to encourage the strong women in your life while giving them something they can use every day. In summary, the JIUWEIHU Inspirational Quote Makeup Bag offers more than just storage. It's a daily reminder of strength and empowerment wrapped up in a durable, stylish package. For those who appreciate accessories that inspire and serve a purpose, this bag is a fantastic choice. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.